So we get wicking. Wicking is really good for us. It tells us this right here. This shit tells us the market is rejecting at this level. Levels are price points, areas where the buyers or sellers want the market to go. All you need to know is when it touches that level, it's going to react, and you need to identify what type of reaction to get paid. Simple shit, right? People overcomplicate trading, fair value gaps, liquidity, order block, all that bullshit doesn't fucking matter. Let's do what fucking works, okay? Support and resistance, easy fucking shit. We're going in. It looks like it's going to break out, but there's no information. Immediately rejects. I'm like, okay, 4 rejections on this level zone. This is an area of interest. It's probably going to short, but I don't know yet. Let's watch. Then it goes down, but then rejects. And by the way, these are far wicks, by the way. The wicks aren't close. Like, they're not up close up here. When they're close, maybe. But they're far as fuck. And there's 5 of them total, right? It wicks. Goes up, wicks. That was going to be a breakout, and then push forward. Doesn't even break out, wicks. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to take the trade. What do you see me do? Take the trade at market structure break. Fucking simple, classic setup. Take a short market structure break. What happens? I set my take profit at pre-market highs, exactly on the level of pre-market highs. Exactly on the level. And it just so happens that orb is starting there, and we set our stop loss to existing highs here, existing highs, which are wicking, where it's reacting. $30 loss if it fails, $54 if we win, right? And we watch it, and we watch it. Not for long, by the way. When we start getting deep into profit, we move our stop loss. 13 immediate, 13, 17 push, 15, 15. And just for context, I'm not looking at TradingView. You're seeing a delayed 5-second responsive price action. I'm looking through TradeStation, the broker that I'm with. I'm trading through TradingView. I'm putting my trades through TradingView. I'm managing my trades through TradingView. I'm looking at TradingView, but all of my trades are being watched actively, watching price action, actively watching volume indicator, real-time information on my broker, TradeStation. Check them out. They're really good. And as you can see, immediately hit TP, immediately paid me. And the next candle was I thought it was a green candle. Yep, exactly.